Printing your unit container labels is challenging, as DLA nor VSM provide away labels compatible with label printers such as the Zebra printers. In this tutorial, we'll learn how Loocey's Label Maker makes this process significantly easier. Loocey's Label Maker is not only designed to be compatible with label printers, but also it automatically fills in many of the details from the contract, saving time with data entry and validates the required fields, avoiding costly errors. Let's see how it works. Go to Bidding Board and click on one tab. This is a view we created specifically for listing our awarded items. Then make sure Award ID column is visible and bring it to the left so it's easily visible on one view. You can do this either by dragging the column to the left or going into the settings of the column and selecting Move To, and selecting the column that you want to move next to, such as the NSN. And always save view to save the changes with columns. And column orders. For this example, we'll enter this award ID on one of the rows. Next, select the row and click on the dots menu and select Label Maker. This will open Loocey's Label Maker application. You'll notice many of the details are already filled in, including award ID, NSN, unit of issue, and others. At the top, we have label size settings. By default, it's using 3" by 2" label size, but of course, you can easily change that, increase, decrease, width, or height to fit your needs. Let's complete the other details, your cage, MFG cage. Part, number, preservation method, QUP, date, and copies. Then simply hit download. A PDF will be generated with has the proper naming info, but also has our label, and also, when we specified 2 copies, it actually made 2 pages in the PDF. This is important because most label printers do not work well with printing multiple copies unless they are separate pages in the PDF. And it was that easy to make the labels. But we're not done yet. Now let's change the label type to be intermediate container. This will show an additional field IC quantity, which is the unit quantity of intermediate container, and as you enter that value, you'll see the quantity field showing on the label now as well. Next, we also have additional info line input. We'll use this field to enter any additional details that's required per the contract, such as the shelf life or expiration date, etc. You can hit enter and add additional lines. As needed, note, when text no longer fits the label size you chose, you can either change your label size or make the font smaller. For this example, let's decrease the font size until everything fits. And you can always click on download and check the PDF and confirm that it's properly displaying on the PDF as well. Sometimes the web view is not 100% matching with the PDF in terms of font sizes, but we need the PDF to be accurate. Make the font size even smaller if needed to make sure label shows properly on the PDF as well. And one last feature to go over is the Your Cage field. In order to avoid entering your cage every time, close Label Maker, go to Edit Profile from top right menu, click on Company tab, and enter your cage code and hit Save. Then log out and log back in. And going forward, the Your Cage field in the Label Maker will be automatically populated. That's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release new tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.